Okay, so we have Tomcat running. We have our deployed secure token server running service. And what we're going to do now is create our secure web service. So we're going to do a Java web application, and we're going to call it Secure WS. We'll take the defaults here, no frameworks. Let it do its thing, take a second. Okay, so first thing we'll do is we'll add our Metro libraries. It's a little bit different than it is on Windows. Okay, so we have it checked package so that it gets built into our war. Okay, we'll let it do its thing again. Okay, so the next thing we'll do is, let's see, we'll create a new web service. And we'll call it user manager. Okay, we'll give it the package org. SecureWS services. Let's try to spell it right. SecureWS.services. Okay, so we got that. Okay, now what we'll do is go into our source, create a new package real quick. Okay, we're just going to set up something that's more useful to make a return value. Create a little model here, a bean for our user info. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we're all set there. Now we can go over to our web service and we use the NetBeans toys to add a new operation. We want to return our bean. Okay. Okay, got that. Alrighty, so now the next thing we need to do is get our service defined. Okay, we have the same problems we did when we created the STS, and that NetBeans isn't plugging in our implementation stuff in our listener. So we're going to use the same files we had before. And this time we're going to use gedit because it does make it a little bit easier to copy stuff. WebXML. There we go. So we want This will be the same. Just paste that in. Okay, we'll get this here, and the other thing we have to do here is give it give it a service name, and that's what we're going to use here. Okay, then we go back here and get servlet mapping. Whoops. That's what we want. Okay, so we have that defined. Now we have to create our XML document. It's JaxWS, I think. Let's double check. Yeah, okay, Sun JaxWS. We're just going to take that, delete this, paste that in. We can get rid of this. We don't need the endpoint or the metadata endpoint here. We don't need this WSDL part. Okay, so now if we go back to our web XML, it's going to be this name here. And this is going to be org dot securews dot services dot user manager. Yep. Okay, user manager. So that looks good. Okay, so now all we have to do, I believe, is define our security information.